Hey, what's up? It's Wednesday, week 1. You've already had 2 training sessions this week, your upper body workout on Monday and your lower body workout on Tuesday. So your entire body is probably sore right now, and you're probably hating me, but that's okay. Now today's your first non-training day. The purpose of these days is to facilitate recovery from those previous 2 workouts. In addition, you did your 30 minutes of cardio today, which will also enhance your recovery. Your non-training days aren't vacation days. They're purposely placed in the program to allow you to properly recover from each and every workout. If you don't take recovery days, you're not going to be able to recover enough for your next workouts. In addition, you're also going to be learning a lot of new things about nutrition, general training tips, supplements, everything you need to know to build your knowledge foundation for the rest of the program. There's going to be a lot of information spread out on every Wednesday throughout this program. Paying attention to this information on your non-training days is vital for your results. Today we're going to talk about calculating your calorie intake as well as your macronutrient breakdown. Now, calories are just the energy you give your body through food sources, and the macronutrients are just types of nutrients you get those calories from. As you've seen on nutritional labels, these are fat, carbohydrates, and protein. Now, each gram of protein has 4 calories. Each gram of carbohydrate also has 4 calories. And each gram of fat has 9 calories. We're going to set your caloric intake to 15 calories per pound of body weight. Now for your macronutrient breakdown, we're going to set your protein to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, your fat to 0.5 grams of fat per pound of body weight, and the rest of your calories are going to be made up of carbohydrates. And those are going to be your total macros per day. Now let's look at an example. We're going to take a 160-pound individual. Remember, calories are 15 calories per pound of body weight. So 160 times 15 equals 2,400 calories per day. Next, let's do protein. 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. 160 times 1 equals 160 grams of protein. There's 4 calories per gram of protein, so that gives you 640 calories from protein. For fat, we're doing 0.5 times 160 equals 80 grams of fat. There's 9 calories per gram of fat, so that equals 730 calories from fat. Finally, we're doing carbohydrates. We're just going to take the remainder of your calories and make them all carbohydrates. 2,400 calories minus 640 calories from protein minus your 730 calories from fat leaves you with 1,000 calories. 1,000 divided by 4 equals 250 grams of carbohydrates per day. Now you're going to take all of those macros and divide them evenly between 5 meals. Continuing with our 160-pound example, you have 160 grams of protein divided by 5 equals 32 grams of protein per meal. Carbohydrates equals 250. 250 divided by 5 meals equals 50 grams of carbs per meal. For fat, you have 80 grams of fat divided by 5 meals per day equals 16 grams of fat per meal. So again, that's 32 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbohydrates, and 16 grams of fat per meal. Now, an example of a meal that would fit these macronutrients would be 4 ounces of a lean meat, like a chicken breast. For your carbs, you're going to do like a cup of rice, which is about the size of your fist. And then for your fats, you're going to do 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, or around 25 almonds. Over the next few weeks on your non-training days, we're going to go over how to choose the correct protein sources, carbohydrate sources, and fat sources, as well as teach you how to measure your foods and prepare your meals. So today, we set up your calorie intake and your macronutrient breakdown. Tomorrow's a training day, so I want you to go home, put what you've learned today to use, rest up, and I'll see you tomorrow.